Hello YouTube, why is fried food bad? It is said that fried food is unhealthy. Have you wondered why? Let's figure it out, because there are several reasons to worry. 1. Fat content. Traditionally fried in vegetable oil or animal fat. Accordingly, a fried dish is fatter, for example, boiled. The process of frying changes the quality of food and increases its calorie content at times. There is an excess of fat in food. What can we do? The simplest and most radical thing is to use other methods of cooking. 2. Charring. Delicious crispy crust has very low nutritional value. The deeper and thicker the crust is fried, the less protein your body will absorb from such food. It's bad and harmful. 3. Carcinogens. These are substances that can be formed from fat during frying and are very poisonous. How do they arise? Each fat, oil has its own smoke point. This is the temperature at which the oil literally smokes. You must have seen it with your own eyes. It is after the smoke point and fat that carcinogens form like an avalanche. Smoked oil in the pan? Throw it away, it's poisonous now. The smoke point of vegetable oil and animal fat is different. In our usual refined sunflower oil, it is about 230 degrees. But, for example, the now popular extra virgin olive oil has from 160 to 216 degrees. Animal fats smoke at 150–250 degrees. The crust is formed at a temperature of about 140–160 degrees Celsius. However, on the stove, the pan can heat up to 300 degrees, so any fat can be overheated. The darker the color of the crust of your food, the more harmful substances, carcinogens, it contains. Roasting will be a simple process only if certain conditions are met. Namely, if you have no health problems, you eat moderately fried foods, you cook with a small amount of oil and monitor the frying temperature. Then you have nothing to worry about. Otherwise, there is every chance to make the dish not only overly fatty, but also poisonous. When heated to high temperatures, fats and oils oxidize and react with oxygen to form substances such as aldehydes and lipid peroxides. The great danger lies in the resulting aldehydes. Eating or inhaling them leads to an increased risk of cancer, heart disease and dementia. In addition, frying leads to the formation of the dangerous carcinogen acrylamide in foods high in starch. Its highest content is found in potatoes, cereals, pies, which were cooked at temperatures above 120 degrees Celsius. Be healthy. Watch what you eat. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.